So, I am going to show you the difference between these two derma rollers. This is a disc derma roller, and it's not authentic, whereas this is a real needle derma roller, and it's the extra large version. This is for the body use, and they are two different sizes. This is the 1.5 and this is a 0.25. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you by demo rolling a banana. So it's hard to do with one hand, but say if you were doing demo rolling, you would go one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just forget that. Next side, we're going to do the disc roller, and we're going to use it exactly the same way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it keeps moving. But I'm doing this with one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll give it a minute. Where you can see like this is like literally micro needling, whereas like there's like tiny punctures in the banana skin or in the banana peel. And then where you can see it over here, like you can see the streaks, you can see that there's a possibility of like getting not micro scars, but tears